Hmm?
You really like your birds, huh?
Of course. They're all so lovely.
It surprises me how naive you are sometimes.
What do you mean?
Not all birds are lovely. One of the few encounters I've made with birds, it was to meet a human who was left to die hanging from a tree. The crows were hungry, and all too eager to scavenge what they could find. Before he was properly dead, they flocked to him. At this point, I don't think he felt much. But I guess you could say he was feeling crow dead. It was a murder. Fitting for a killer, no?
I do not like that story.
Did I kill the mood? Sorry, I tend to do that.
Well, Sans, with me, I can show you a different side to the birds you're not used to.
Huh?
See? She's singing for you. It is nice, is it not?
Yeah. Definitely beaks the cawing.
Greetings, Sans.
Hey, excuse me for popping in.
Come and look. Sans, did you know that the humans use this flower to honor their dead?
Oh?
So it's fitting it be given to you.
A white lily, huh? Oh.
I sometimes forget.
Sorry.
I'm not upset, Sans. It's alright.
Well, if it is Death's flower, it must appreciate going back to its roots. Hey Tori, what's new?
I have something for you, Sans. Here. Something I've created that cannot will.
You really are a classy lady, Tori. Are you trying to make me see things through rose-tinted glasses?
Sans, I didn't give you a rose.
Lily mine then. Guess you prefer me as I am.
Am I that transparent?